Hi riders! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 7 fast facts about the new KTM 890 Adventure R 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. The 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R takes the previous iteration of the high-performance ADV motorcycle and adds performance and styling updates. Let's find out what they are. 1. The ABS is updated using a 6-axis sensor that communicates with the ride modes. Using Bosch 9.3 MP system, the ABS is tied in with the ride mode. If you select the off-road mode or the optional rally mode, off-road ABS is automatically engaged. 2. There's a new 5-inch TFT dash. The display features new pictograph-infused graphics designed for more intuitive operation of features, along with USB-C ports. Turn-by-turn navigation is available through the KTM Connect app, which connects to the dash via Bluetooth. There's also an update phone call function. You can set up 10 favorites to display, or a list of the last 10 calls. 3. The new 5.3-gallon fuel tank gets more extensive aluminum protection. The 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R carries the fuel tank down low, and this will prevent DNFs by better guarding the tank against impacts. 4. The WP suspension has updated settings to improve rider endurance on long rides. DOHC Explore units are used at both ends, with the shock being a progressive damping design that eliminates the need for linkage. 5. You can't miss the new bodywork. There's a new fairing, cowling, LED turn signals, and a lower windshield for improved aerodynamics and ergonomics. The new fuel tank gets enhanced aluminum protection. 6. Optional electronic rider aid features, including the rally mode, are available for the first 932 miles. KTM wants to tempt you to upgrade, so they give you a taste for free. 7. Look for the 2023 KTM 890 Adventure on dealers' showroom floors in December. We don't have an MSRP yet, however. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.